How to find recently watched video on Facebook. Hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how can you find recently watched videos on Facebook. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you'll have to open your Facebook app and make sure you are logged in with your account. Alright, so after you open the Facebook with your account, you will got such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on three line just at the top right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it, and now from here you'll have to scroll down and go with the option setting and privacy, and now from here open the settings. Okay, so from here you'll have to scroll down and go with the sections like your activity. So from the section your activity, you'll have to go with the option activity log. So simply tap on it. Alright, so on this section, you'll be able to see every activity of your Facebook account. So from here, you can do many options here, like you can see the public post, public tag, live videos. So on the another hand, after scrolling, you'll got options like video watch. So simply you'll have to go with that option, and now from here you'll be able to find the recently watched videos on Facebook. So from here you can know the recently watched videos on Facebook. So to clear that, you'll got options to clear video watch history. So simply you have to tap on it. All right, so it will take some time to clear the watch story of your Facebook. So this is the easiest and simplest method to perform that. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.